Hi, Joe.
We have a lot of these things.
We have a lot of bottle brush.
So this is one of my many seed-grown melaleuca pallida, or Callistemon pallidus, commonly known as the lemon bottle brush, native to Australia. Kind of a yellowy flower on it.
Yeah.
I grew these from seed and planted them as seedlings at least more than 15 years ago, okay? And you trimmed this one once, didn't you?
Yeah.
So don't trim it anymore. Let it grow into a tree. These will grow 30 feet tall.
We see where the top of it is there,
Yeah.
and it all branches out, so you've got way more stalks on top.
Yeah, so you cut it.
It makes it bushier.
But anyway, it would have been even taller than this if she didn't cut it, okay? So this doesn't need to be pruned in this climate because there's not a lot of these big ones around. There was a big one in town years ago and they cut it down in front of the
But at least
one.
that made it bush out more, so I think that's
this
nice.
thing would probably be 10
It'll
feet
still
tall
grow.
by now. So this one here likes full sun and well-draining soil. This one gets quite a bit of sun all day. The sun comes right down through here, through the top of that bamboo, and hits it. And this is one of many. So we have rigida. We have other species in here too. And there's how many of these guys in here? There's probably
come over there.
There's probably about 3 or 4. Oh, here's another one here. Right here.
Oh yeah, there.
And then there's one by the tree fern, and there's actually one.
Did that
by
one self-seed?
No. I planted it. And then there's one by the bike garage too, the Harley garage. But you can see the seed pods on here, kind of like a eucalyptus. So they need well-draining soil, and this plant does very well here. I don't think the deer even like this plant. It's got very stiff leaves on it. And this one here is about 8 feet tall, something like that. At least 8 feet tall.
And then we have a red.
We have red here. And we have a red down there, and and we have another variety over there too.
It's a smaller variety.
Yeah, that one is a different variety than this, but there's one right here by the yucca. That's different as well. See this one?
Yeah, because I planted 2 different varieties.
So those ones I didn't grow from seed, but these ones I did grow from seed. You can see they do look like pipe cleaners, kind of like bottle brush.
They're beautiful.
And it is an Australian native and a very exotic plant that grows very well in our exotic gardens. So if you live in a similar growing zone, you probably want to try a bottle brush. It goes good with grevilleas and other drought-tolerant plants. We have grevilleas blooming as well in our garden. So
we're going to collect some seed.
Yeah, I'll collect some seed from it. Very easy to collect seed from. Just like growing eucalyptus trees.
Yeah.
And we have eucalyptus coming up in the seed flats right now. And the nice thing about this is a BLE. It's a broadleaf evergreen. So lemon bottle brush Callistemon pallidus is the Latin name for it. All right, so try one in your own garden. Like I say, if you live in a zone similar to this here on our end of the island of Salt Spring. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos on Gulf Island Rock.